Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for January 25th through January 6th. For January 25th to 29th, that's what we're forecasting. We have a strong area of positive height anomalies here near Alaska and over the polar region. This favors a trough down here. This ridge extends across the eastern Pacific, and we have a trough here from Hudson Bay down to east central U.S. Models of good agreement. We look at the models. This is for the United States. This is GFS, the NAEFS. So they're all basically showing the same thing. Within this flow, whoops, what was that? Okay, within this flow there'll be embedded pieces of energy. The first in a series will result in coastal system exiting the northeast on Monday. In its wake, expect Arctic high pressure will cover the area from the Rockies eastward. Below normal temperatures are forecast for a large portion of the nation, from the Rockies to the east coast, with anomalies of 25 to 30 degrees below normal. Below normal temperatures are forecast. They're supposed to be above normal temperatures of forecast for the southwest, with anomalies of 15 degrees. Within the cyclonic flow, lake effect snow is forecast across the lakes. Now we're going to talk about our potential system for the Christmas weekend. I'm going to go back here. Let me see if I can get the right map. Okay. We have energy here that would be entering. Right now it's coming into Canada, and we're around the base at the eastern trough. And this weekend, it will allow for a Miller B type system or coastal low off the middle of the coast Sunday evening and quickly tracking northeast just to the southeast of Long Island Sunday night and into early Monday. So we're going to go to that period here. Okay, let's see. All right, here's Sunday. This is European deterministics. Here we are Monday. Here's a system here. It's jumping around again. Okay, I'm going to go here. This period. This would be Monday. Here's a system right here. That's, like I said, the European deterministics, and here's the GFS. European. Okay, here's the GFS. Here's the system here. The overall trend has been closer to the coast with the low pressure system development and a bit wetter. Based on the current assembled low track with low pressure development and intensification along the coast a bit late and mid-level low closing and tracking over the coastal plains, we generally expect precipitation to be mainly rain along the coast and with snow in the interior. Now, there are a couple things that can go wrong with this forecast. First of all, if the track tracks a bit further to the east or the southeast, or it deepens more rapidly than forecast, the shift south the threat for snow will shift southeastward to the coast. Also, if the track closer to the coast, the accumulating snow will be further inland to the northwest. So the accumulating snows will be mostly across New York State and parts of Pennsylvania then. Okay, we're going to look at the period for December 28th through January 1st. Okay, here we are at the 28th. Little changes overall expected in the overall flow as we go eastward. You can see there's a little change. Here we are first New Year's Day, and we take a look at the rest of the models to show a little change. So a strong ridge is forecast over Alaska and the Arctic, and a ridge is forecast in the west trough in the east central states. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, with anomalies of 6 degrees or more forecast. I think this might be a little done, but it could come true. But I'm forecasting now 6 degrees, maybe 10 degrees above normal, and below normal temperatures are forecast for the remainder of the nation with anomalies of 10 degrees or more, because some of the ensembles are showing 18 to 12 degrees below normal. For precipitation, forecasting below normal precipitation for much of this area here, probability of occurrence is 30 to 55%. Above normal precipitation is forecast for this region here, with a probability of occurrence is 30 to 55%. Now the period for January 2nd to the 6th. Okay, here at the 2nd, and you can see here the model. This is the, let me see, the GFS, the NAEFS, and the model is forecast to be less amplified, but still forecasting a ridge here, trough over the east central states, above normal heights here. And then we go through the period, we come to the 6th, and then we look at the rest of the models. This one is the GFS. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting little change in the temperature anomaly. You can see above normal here, below normal for the remainder of the nation. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for this area here. Probability of occurrence is 55%. We have below normal precipitation here, probability of 30%, and we have above normal precipitation forecast for this region with the probability of occurrence of 30 to 55%. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for December 25th through January 6th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.